We got a 2000 Skidoo Formula 500. It runs good. It has a little thump when you take off, real slow speed, then it goes away. Goes away as you get moving 10, 15 miles an hour. You don't hear it anymore. So the first thing I want to do is check this belt. Some of them come with a tool. Well, they probably all come with a tool, but this one's so old it's gone. I just made a tool up, but you can just thread a bolt in as long as it's the right size thread. Use a ratchet or a wrench, and it spreads this clutch, and you know, spreads it right out so you can just walk this belt right off. And I'm gonna check the belt first. I noticed a ton of play in this, in the chain case side, and the dipstick was full of metal and just didn't look good. So I'm gonna pull that side apart. But we're gonna check this belt out first and see. And take this exhaust off. All right, gonna take this cover off. I got the last couple bolts. There's one there, one here. There's one down bottom that's kind of tough. Another one here. You gotta work that. This is the right position to get it out. That's a reverse. You can see that case is full of junk. That's nasty looking. So, dig into it and see what we can find. Pull these gears out of the way. These ones here. Set those aside. So the belt ended up being a problem on this machine. But I know it's been a while since this case has been serviced, and really the best way to do it, I think, is pull the cover off so you can clean everything, especially if it's been contaminated. I probably had water in it at one point. Someone drained it and refilled it. You never get it all out, and it's just not healthy looking oil. So I'm gonna clean this all out, clean it out best I can. Put those gears back in here, retension with this big bolt. And once you get your tension set, put that locking cotter pin back in. And then the cover, you can buy a new gasket, but they have a rubber gasket kind of inlaid into the cover. They usually are fine. I haven't really ever had a problem with them leaking, reusing them. But if you have it apart and you really want to do it right, get a gasket. So we're going to put that back together. The belt goes back on just like I showed you. It comes off. Make sure you don't forget your tool in there. I've done that. Makes for an odd ride. But goes back together the way it came apart. A few bolts. Put some oil in. You have a dipstick to check your oil. I had one right here. Fill it back up with the right oil. Check it with the dipstick, and should be good to go.